All right, y'all, so today we're gonna be fixing a problem that's been bothering me on this truck for a while. If you watch my channel, you see we did a ZF5 swap on this 97 F350, and the transmission shifts pretty good. Everything seems to be fine, but I replaced the bushings in the shifter column, and still, truck's neutral now. If you put it in gear, it still has a ton of wobble. Every gear is the same way, and what I noticed when I was replacing the bushings was the bushings themselves didn't look that bad. But there's a metal collar inside, and I'll show it to you later once we get this thing out and get working on it. But there's a metal collar that was wallered out really bad, and even though these bushings are brand new and seated properly, it still has a lot of wobble. So the way we're going to fix that is I've got a brand new rebuilt top column, or top shifter column here for this ZF5. Got it out on eBay from a guy in Louisiana. And what you can see is here, this bushing, or this metal piece right in here, is what was wallered out. So where that play is coming from is the pin inside of that hole, and it's got all this slack in it. And one thing that was causing, other than the slop in the shifter, one thing that was also causing was when you would go, mainly I only heard it from second to third, but if you went from second to third, let's see, you get it in gear, hear that click when it goes from into the neutral. Obviously there's a click when it goes in gear, but it was pretty annoying, and I'll post a video real quick of me driving it so you can hear what that sounded like. So it wasn't the biggest deal, but it was pretty annoying. So we're gonna go ahead, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get this boot up. There's 4 screws, Phillips head screws. I'm gonna take this boot up, and we'll take that off, remove the shifter. It's just 2 bolts that go right here, and take the shifter off, get the boot off, and then I'll pick you back up when we're looking at the top cover of this transmission. All right, here we go. We got the shifter and the shifter boot off. Takes 5 minutes to do. 4 little bolts around the outside, no problem. So what we're looking at here is the top of the shift column here, and you can see the new piece on the top where I rebuilt the top of the column, but then that collar in the middle is what's wore out. So what I'm going to do is, and I believe I can get this whole thing out, but I'm missing a couple bolts here from the previous owner. But what I'll do is I'm going to take these bolts out around the perimeter of this cover, and I'm just going to pull this whole cover out and replace it with the new one. So I'll go ahead and pop that out real quick, and I'll show you real quick while we're sitting here. This is it in gear. You can just see all the slop in the cover itself. So we're going to get rid of that, put that new one in. Hopefully this will fix our problem. So I'm just going to pull these bolts out and lift this out. All right, so there you go. We got the top cover removed, all the bolts out. It came right out through the hole, no problem. Here's the cover right here. And what you'll notice, it's kind of hard for me to show you in one hand, but notice the massive amount of play in that pin. And you can see the front to back play. Let's see if I can try to get a good view of it here. But you can see how bad that thing was wallered out. So compare that to the new one right here. And I'll do the same thing. You can see it's got a little bit of in and out, but there's virtually zero side to side. So without all that side to side, I think we're gonna be in a much better place with this one. So I'm just gonna take this, align it up, get it in there, drop it in, we'll tighten it down, and we'll see how the shifter feels. There's the new one installed right there. Just get it in, lined up. There's a dowel pin down there. You put the cover right on top. It seats right in. Just make sure the little ball on the bottom of the shift tower there goes into the ball in the transmission, and you're good to go. So I got it tightened down. I'm gonna throw the shifter back in, put the boot back on, and we'll see how it does and take it for a little ride. All right, so everything's back in and installed, and immediately off the bat, I can feel the shifter is definitely tighter. Feels good, goes into gear nicely. Everything feels quiet and good, as it should. Not nearly as much play. I got this extended shifter, so obviously there's gonna be more leverage on it, but I mean, that's all it's got right there. So pretty happy with that. We're gonna get it on the road and see how it feels and sounds, and then we'll see how we do. Yeah, we got the shifter in. We're gonna see how it is. Everything already feels a lot tighter, so we'll take off it first. We'll see how much easier it makes it. Pretty smooth. Not a ton of play in the shifter. So everything feels really good. Go ahead and try fourth for a second. Everything feels really nice. So everything should be tight and working really well. So I'm pretty happy with that. That tightened it up. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you.